Hello friends, today we are going to see about a course launched by ICAI known as Certificate in Accounting Technicians. In short form, we'll call it as CAT. So what is this ICAI? It is the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. In short form, we call it as ICAI. So it is a premier professional body of management accounts and it's being established on 28th of May 1959 under the Cost and Works Accountants Act of 1959 as amended by Cost and Works Accountants Amendment Act in 2011, and it is a statutory body under the Act of the Parliament. So the main purpose of this is to regulate the profession of cost and management accountancy in India. Now, ICAI has launched this new course known as CAT, and this CAT is a skill-based course and it is employment oriented and it's also for a short term period. And now the duration, the registration and the fee structure of the CAT course. The duration is 1 year. Now the registration or the enrollment for this CAT course can be done on 31st of January as well as on 31st of July every year. So the registration can be done or enrollment can be done either online or offline, and the course fee is rupees 9,800, and the prospectus, you have a prospectus for this which comprises of all the A to Z details about the course, and the prospectus cost is rupees 250. And now the course fee has to be paid in the form of a demand draft, and it should be drawn in favor of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and it is payable at New Delhi. Now what is the eligibility criteria for the CAT? Now the students who have passed +2 examination, either it can be a central government, the examination through the central government or the state government, as well as, or it can be students who have passed the National Diploma in Commerce examination held by All Indian Council for Technical Education, or Diploma in Rural Service examination conducted by National Council of Higher Education. Even the 10th class students also can join this course, but they can write or appear for the exams only after completing the +2 examinations. Now the candidates who can prefer for this CAT courses are the commerce students who are pursuing graduation, as well as the commerce students who are seeking career or skill-based opportunity, and also this course is available even for non-commerce students of any discipline. Now the course structure is as follows. You have 2 levels. Level 1 is about the foundation and level 2 is about the competency. Level 1, for the first 6 months, we'll pursue this level 1 foundation course, and it comprises of 4 papers. Paper 1, Fundamentals of Financial Accounting. Paper 2, Applied Business and Industrial Laws. Paper 3, Financial Accounting 2. Paper 4, Statutory Compliance. And coming to the competency level, for the next 6 months, we'll just pursue this competency level of course, that is Fundamentals of Computers, filling of statutory returns, introduction to costing principles and preparation of cost statements, and apart from this we'll have a 5-day orientation program which is mandatory as per the CAT course structure. Now the examination fees for the foundation course is rupees 730. And the examination fees can be paid by either using your debit card or credit card or through the bank draft, which is should be drawn in favor of if it's going to be a bank draft, it should be drawn in favor of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Now the exam structure for CAT course, for the foundation course, it will be an online exam and you will have multiple choice questions. There will be no negative markings, and the total mark comprise of 200 marks, and the passing aggregate is 50% of the total marks plus minimum 40% marks in each of the paper. Now for the competency level, it will be an online assessment and the student has to pass at least 6 tests out of the total test schedule, and the passing marks will be 50% or above in each of the tests. Now the closing date for the submission of CAT examination forms will be, for June term examination, the closing date will be 30th April. For December term examination, the closing date will be 30th October. So what is this ICAI? It is the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. In short form, we call it as ICAI. So it is a premier professional body of management accounts, and it's being established on 28th of May 1959 under the Cost and Works Accountants Act of 1959 as amended by Cost and Works Accounting. Now what are the job opportunities for CATCOs? The job opportunities can be availed through various sectors like small and medium enterprises, then business process outsourcing or knowledge process outsourcing, BPOs and KPOs, then retail sectors, Panchayat accounting and bookkeeping, tax return preparations, filing of returns under Companies Act, then filing of returns under Income Tax, GST, Customs Act, etc., export and import documentation, etc. So all these are the job opportunities what you can avail through this CATCOs. Now how to get connected for CATCOs is, either you can get connected through ICAI head office, Institute of Cost Accounts of India head office, or the regional CAT directorate, then regional council office, then ICAI or CMA chapters, recognized oral coaching centers. You have many recognized oral coaching centers which is being approved by the CAT directorate. You can contact them, and all these informations will be given in your prospectus, or you can just go through the website and see. The website will be www.icmai.in. Now the contact for ROCC for CATCOs is, it is in Dindigul district. One of the ROCC means Regional Oral Coaching Center. The address is Allen's Academy of Commerce, number 18 Pandian Nagar, near St. Joseph's Hospital, Dindigul district, Tamil Nadu state, pin code 624001. And the mobile numbers are 9367926469, and one more mobile number 9655674305. You can contact these mobile numbers for further inquiries. And those who want to become the aspirants of cost auditors, the CATCO serves as an entry level for you, as well as you can avail many job opportunities just by doing this CATCOs, because the certificates of CATCOs is valid both nationally as well as internationally. And also the aspirants to become cost accountants, we wish you all the best. It is a gateway or an entry path, the CATCOs, because once you do the foundation level 1, you can directly go with the inter for the ICAI or CMA. So we wish all of you to build a bright professional career through pursuing CATCOs and becoming a qualified cost and management accountant. Kindly subscribe. For further queries, you please contact to these phone numbers 9367926469 and 9655674305. Thank you.